Saturday meal. And this time we are going to make, I'm opening up my Kerrygold butter here. We are going to make lemon, buttery, garlic shrimp. Okay? So I already have my pan heated here. And what I'm going to do is, this will be out on the website soon. This is my special blend. Okay? This is my lemon pepper blend. And I'm just going to put some of this over here. And that's probably maybe about, sprinkle some over here. That right here. You can use as much of this as you want, or a little of this you want. And you just want to mix it up. And that's all you want to do. I'll probably add a little more. Let me use my other hand. I know you can't see this, but I'm adding more. So total, I'll probably add about a half a cup. I'm lying. I used about a third cup. Okay. Now I'm just going to let these sit. Let me wash my hands. So now I've got my pan heated. And I'm going to use my bacon grease. And it's okay if you got bacon bits in there, because that's what makes it taste good. Okay. Alright. And where's Spoonie? Oh, here he is. Spoonie. He's back. Okay. And this bacon grease, I said maybe about, I want to say about 3 tablespoons. Alright, I'm using a stick of my Kerrygold butter. Because we said it's buttery, right? And I already had it at room temperature anyway. I don't know, for some reason, butter and bacon grease tastes good when you saute stuff with it. Okay, so I'll do while that's melting, I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic. You can use fresh garlic, or you can use already prepared garlic. What you want to do is try to get the garlic juice off of it. Spoonie's about a tablespoon. I measured it one day. Much of garlic as you want in here. Okay. So you want to just saute this up until you kind of smell your garlic flavor, your garlic smell. And see, this is hanging out by itself. I might turn it up a little bit on 7. Okay, while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and place my shrimp in here.
Now, why exactly are you layering it in there like that?
I know, I really want to pour it in here. Because I have a little water into shrimp. So you want to let it cook on one side and then turn it over. And the reason why it's not cooking right now because I put cold shrimp in here. So it brought the temperature down. You know what? I'm going to dump it. Sorry. Alright, let me wash my hands. Okay, so I went back. You know, guys, you know I got to have my peppers in here. So I added 2 serranos, chopped. And then I add, just for a little color, paprika. Okay? And you just want to let this cook. I added some lemon juice, meaning one of these. Just squeeze it over here because it is supposed to be lemony, right? Look at that. Okay, now I have some already cooked shrimp with the tails on, and I'm just going to go ahead and add it in here because these are done. You want to just keep stirring them. Get it all coated. You see, it kind of makes its own little sauce here. See, look at that. This would go good with your any type of pasta and seasoned rice. So we having seasoned rice with this. Okay, and then to top it off, you can add some lemon wedges in here. Yeah, and you can go ahead and add more the lemon blend. Now you can use as much as that as you want. If you feel, like I said, my stuff is not really salty, so if you feel that you need to add more salt, then by all means, add more salt. As soon as cooked shrimp gets heated up, we are done. Okay guys, so this was really quick and simple to make. This is my lemon, buttery, garlic shrimp, okay? And this buttery, I did go back and add, because Miss Smarty Pants said it needs to have more butter. So I did go back and add more butter, one more stick. So actually I added a cup of butter, yeah. Because 2 sticks, 1 stick is what, 4 ounces? The other was 4 ounces, so you add them together, you get a cup. Yes, you get a cup. Alright, so then I did add some more fresh lemon juice on top of it. Look at it. You can serve it with the rice or you can serve it with pasta.